the real experience of my maintenance week, okay? And don't be all aesthetic and cute all the time.
On the highway and I'm thinking that I love her. On the highway and I'm thinking there ain't no rubber. On the highway with my significant lover.
Oh, good morning. Today, first of all, I look kind of crazy. My hair looks cute, period. We are about to go get a wax. This is the most grown thing I've ever done. I'm scared. I'm petrified. It's summertime, and it's like, if we're really gonna do this maintenance thing right, we gotta be bald. I booked this appointment like an hour ago. It's so last minute. I have no makeup on. I look kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, but like, y'all, this is the real experience of my maintenance week, okay? And don't be all aesthetic and cute all the time, okay? I'm just a girl, and I'm type B, so.
VIP. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. You fake.
Go down. Y'all. Most painful experience of my life. 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. She was mad nice though, so I'm probably gonna be back. And she let me get the serum for her. We're gonna start using this daily. That hurt so bad.
Continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the good way. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Here, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk down to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time.
We just finished seeing me make breakfast. I'm about to go watch a sermon, eat my food, drink my chlorophyll water and my tea, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. What's up, guys? Okay, it has been so many days since we last spoke. So much has happened. I don't even know what's going on. Right now, we're about to go to the mall, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me because why not? Okay, guys, so we just made it to the mall. I'm about to do my lip combo really quick. I can't go into these people's establishment with no crusty lips. Are you kidding me? Give me 2 seconds. Voila, look how much better that is. Okay, period. Now let's head inside. Okay, guys, I'm looking in. I don't know why. Every time I record in public, I start to feel shy. Mind you, anyone who knows me in real life knows I'm not a shy person. Like, I don't really get embarrassed usually, but something about just like having my camera out and talking to it, like it just gives like wannabe influencer. Like, I don't know. Maybe like if I get bigger, when speaking into existence, period. Maybe when I get bigger, I won't feel so like nervous. But like, cause I'm like a small content creator, it just feels like, oh my god, like everyone's looking at me. Mind you, nobody cares. If you're a small content creator and you're nervous to vlog in public and stuff, just know you're not alone and just do it anyways, because you know, how are we gonna stop being small content creators if we stay nervous? Okay, so I'm overcoming my fear, so you need to overcome your fear too. Hey, anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to the One Piece pop-up. Bye. Can't wear because of my lashes, but I would totally get it otherwise. Okay guys, so I just left the One Piece store. Honestly, they didn't have nothing that really was worth the money. The prices weren't bad, but I feel like I was just getting it just because it's there, not because I actually wanted it, and I'm trying to be better with money, so I left everything there. Also, I looked it up, and everything that was there I can order online if I end up regretting my decision later, so yeah, but I do want to do some shopping, which I know that's not the reason why I came here at all, but I feel like if I'm here, like I might as well just look around, just window shop, you know? And I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. Okay.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my song.
Okay guys, we just finished up in the mall. I said before I didn't get anything. I did a really good job, okay guys? I did not spend no money. Yeah guys, I did really good. I did not go shopping, okay? I was just looking and touching, and I didn't actually swipe my card, okay? So y'all should be super duper proud of me. But dang, I was gonna say something, but I forgot. I don't know, but it's so hot right now, y'all. Like, the weather is so bipolar. 1 minute is pouring rain, next minute is scorching hot. Like, what the? Oh my god. Anyways, the sun looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so gorgeous. Take a minute. I forgot where I parked. Like, actually, I forgot. Y'all should be so proud of me. I did not leave the mall with nothing. Okay, y'all, when I say window shop, I window shopped. Okay. Period. But there is a Michael nearby, and if you know me, you know I love my little arts and crafts, so I think we might just need to pop in there really quick. So the camera stopped for whatever reason. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, like I said, there's a Michael's right next door, and I just want to look. Okay, I just want to look, and I need to get some paint for some project that I'm working on, so I need to go and get that. And since it's right there, like, I might as well, right? Okay then. Love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, we just pulled up to Michael's, but they close in 4 minutes, so we gotta go. Sundays, every store closes at the crack of dawn. Like, say, damn, let me get some time. Guys, how do they have every Sharpie color besides black? What is happening? I'm not spending $30 for one black Sharpie. Damn near $10 for one. Oh, this one. Here we go. What's the difference? 2 for $3, 1 for $8? I don't know. I'm not going. Okay guys, so we just left Michael's. It actually was not stressful at all. There were hella people in there. I'm like, dang, like, I guess it's a busy day. But yeah, they didn't kick me out. They didn't even, when I went in, it was 5 minutes before closing. Music still playing, everything. They didn't turn the music off until the store actually closed. And even then, the door wasn't locked or nothing. I'm like, yo, y'all don't want to go home, but I'm not complaining because I got to get my liquor supplies. So I'm all set. I'm about to go home. Honestly, I think I kind of am done talking to you guys. Thanks for coming shopping with me. I'm not doing my nails this vlog, okay guys? I'm taking a nail break, but my lashes are done, my hair is done, my coochie is bald, and I feel good, I look good, and yeah, thank you so much for coming to this maintenance vlog. I love you guys so much. Always remember that I love you, but Jesus loves you more, and I will see you in my next video. Toodles! Annie B and the Beast of Barbie. Like, comment, subscribe, because over here it's like a party! Period. 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 Period.
I just keep it real, real. High volume.
Am I really that much